When you search any query on Google, have you ever observed different layouts where Google search engine result page shows business details like name, address, phone number, location, their social media pages, links, etc. If business information is in this layout, it's knowledge panel. If you find business information displayed like this one, it's called local pack or local snack pack. Or you can see business details in Google Maps search results. All these layouts are outcome of Google My Business listing. My name is Azeem, a digital marketing strategist, and in this video I am going to talk about how to create Google business listing. Let's do it. First step is to create Gmail ID through which we can create Google My Business company page. You can handle multiple Google business listings with only one Gmail account. I already have created one for this tutorial. I have logged in my Gmail account and I'm now ready to create Google My Business listing. Type Google My Business in Google search box and sign in to that account through which you want to list your business on Google. Here we start putting our business details starting from business name. For example, I want to list business with the name of ABC Clinic. Here we have to write business category. It's very important step, so write the exact one related to business. I am going to create Google business listing for skincare clinic. In this step, you can show or hide your address on Google business listing. In my case, I have a clinic that has address and people can freely visit. So I'll check on yes because I want to show clinic address on Google. Here you have to write complete address by filling all these given columns. I'm filling with fake information. If your business is offering products or services outside the location, you can click on this option. For example, my clinic offers online counseling, so I'll click on yes. I also serve them outside my location. In this portion, you can mention the specific areas where you are offering your products or services. You can choose different big cities or select one region. My clinic is offering service all around the Pakistan, so I'll mention country Pakistan. Put your contact number and website address to get connected with your potential clients online. Click on yes if you want to receive custom recommendations by Google to increase the visibility of your business online. Finally, we have submitted all mandatory information to Google. Form filling process will end up here. You will receive a postcard by mail in which you will get a code to verify this business listing on Google. Type the contact name to whom this postcard may concern. Here you can write a list of products or services that you are offering either in source are online. Write detailed business introduction to give visitors an idea about your business. You can upload real photos of your location. Here is the Google My Business dashboard through which we can update our business details on the internet. You can see our business is in pending mode because we have not verified it yet. In post section, you can add any update about your business that you want to share with your potential clients online. We can add photo, write caption and a custom button. We can add call now button through which we can receive customer inquiries on phone calls. In this info section, we can add or remove information about our business. For example, here I can update my business hours. I can add my business opening date to give my clients an idea about how many years of experience we have. Add photos if you want to share online. This info section, the most important one, Google Business Listing, and try to keep it updated. You can click this option if you have closed your business or simply remove business listing from Google. Inside section is interesting, where you can see stats like how many times your business was displayed on Google, how many people visited your website or made a call. In review section, you can see all your business reviews by clients and can reply them individually. Messaging feature is fantastic, but you'll have to download the Google My Business app if you want to utilize this option. Keep updating latest products or service photos to engage your audience on Google. Service section is to display all the products or services that you are offering. Google My Business dashboard helps to create a website free of cost. If you don't have personal domain website for your business, you can use Google My Business and publish a stunning website. Within few minutes, you can set custom URL for your website, but the top level domain would be .business.site. In users section, you can assign access to someone to your business listing by inviting them. You can make decision to give them role as an owner, manager, or only site manager. Next few sections are related to paid campaigns that I'll discuss in detail in my coming videos. We have gone through all options available in Google My Business dashboard. I'm sure now you can easily create Google business listing for your business and boost your local SEO.